Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today a vendor has sent me another great product. This is a free product. It's a paid review. It is the UGREEN phone holder for your car. And this has multiple ways that it can mount in your car. Today I'm going to show you the vent mount, but I mean, it mounts two different ways. Let's open it up here and show you what I mean. The instructions are great. I did read the instructions, so I know what I'm doing. But here's your phone mount, and you can see that it has a place in the bottom to put your cord in. And to open it up, you just push the button, and that's pretty nice. Like that. Pretty cool. I'm gonna put that down there for now. So there's two different ways you can mount this. I have a pad up here that I mount my backup camera to, and I can just temporarily use it, I guess, to show you this. But it can be mounted on my dash, like so. Then you just push that here, like that, like that. I'm not going to mount it there, but then you just attach it here, like that, just like that. That's pretty sweet, huh? And then you can, either the passenger or the driver could use it. So that's pretty nice. I'm going to hook it up to the vent here. So what you do, first thing you do is, yeah, you don't really need to do that first. All right, so first thing you do is you unscrew this, because what that's going to do is it's going to hook on the back side of your vent louvers right here. Might be a little dusty, but so you want to open that up to the widest. Then you put that into your vent. And I don't have it, oh, maybe move it up to this one. And I don't yet have it quite. Oh, there we go. So you hook it onto so that you can pull against it. And then you tighten it down. See that? It's very firm, very tight. So your phone doesn't jostle. And then you take this, see this little receiver here? That goes on that ball right there. And then you also want this right there. And then you put this right here. And then you just simply so you snug that up. And then, Susie, do you have your phone with you? Use Susie's phone here.
You can make the cord attached, remember? Oh,
that's right. So she was charging her phone. So I'll leave that in there.
Okay.
And you just pop these like that. And put that there. And I'm going to compare the two. And here's what I like about the UGREEN better than this. This one I had to reach behind it and find this button every time. And I hated doing that. It was uncomfortable when I was driving or trying to get in there. I'd have to go find that button every time and reach behind and find the button. This one, you know, it's very easy. You just find these side buttons and it opens. I love that. Find these side buttons and it opens. So folks, go out and get your UGREEN. I say between that mount, your dash mount, and your vent mount, go out and get your UGREEN today.